quick unboxing to Ryobi soldering iron, and this is based on 18-volt battery of Ryobi. So let's see what is inside this package. By the way, it's very cheap one, and Ryobi products are pretty good. So, haha, it comes even with solder. Okay. So this is what is in the box. It's very tiny product. You can see you have the iron itself, of course, and you have this cradles that you put on your battery. Okay, so now let's connect the battery and I will show how it goes. You just push it and then you have this on-off button. Now it is shut off. One press, it is blinking fast. Blinking fast means that it is heating, and soon it will be ready for welding. Let's see if it is warm enough already. So yes, you can see that it is warm enough. Let's see another press. Okay, the second press is shut down. Okay, I will explain now. What about I want to see something. Okay, when it is blinking slow, basically this is off, but it takes time till the welder is cooling, so it will continue till it will be cold enough, and then it will turn off. Another press like this turning it on. I don't know what is when it is not blinking, when it is always red, maybe it needs to heat. Okay, now it is heated and it is ready to use. So blinking fast is when the welder get heated, and now it is ready for use. As you can see, it's melting very well. It's really hot. You cannot adjust the temperature in this model. In the other model of Ryobi, you have ability to change the temperature. This model doesn't have it, but anyway, it's worked pretty well. I have to admit, this is 40 watts, which is enough for most of the welding things that you will need to use. You see it is melting very well, so it's really hot. I guess it's near 400 degrees by what I read, maybe even 450, and you cannot adjust it, but when you need for small fixes and things like this, and you need to be portable, this is more than enough. Now another press, I will turn it off. So now it is blinking slowly, because this is still hot. This is why they left it blink. By the way, if you're not using it for 10 minutes, it will also turn off. So I want to see how long till it get cold. So take some time to get cold. As you know, if you are stopping to work with your welder, it's a good thing to leave solder on the iron. It prevents water to come and ruin the head of the solder. So this is a good thing to do after you finish working with the welder. Okay, it is still hot, probably because it's got very hot, but soon it will stop the heat. Okay, we'll leave it for a few minutes, and then it will stop and it will turn off automatically. And when it shut down, it is safe to remove the battery and or replace the head or whatever you want to do. So that's all. Thank you and bye.